body forward. Simultaneously kick the left leg back. Keep reaching, keep kicking. That's it. Charge the body forward. Beautiful, Debbie. Gorgeous. Locked out leg. Good, Natalie. Keep reaching. Keep kicking. Keep stretching that whole body, guys. The more you kick, the more you stretch. That's it. Body down. Standing leg perfectly engaged, Lori. Keep kicking. That's it. Go, Cindy. Keep reaching. Keep kicking. Body down. Chin more forward. Stretch the shoulder to chin. Don't let the arm drop, guys. Bring the arm up a little bit, Lily. That's it. And be a rock star. And touch the front mirror with a kick. That's it. Stretch and kick. Everybody, body down. Good. Kick. Reach. Kick. Stretch one more time. Kick. Kick. Change. Slowly come out. Very nice. Deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Working now. Again, on the second set. Half the time working it to get further and deeper into the posture. And here we go. Right arm out. Elbows at the waist. Palm facing the ceiling. Drop the right hand back. You guys got this. Grab the foot on the inside at the ankle. Nice, strong grip. All right, make sure the left arm comes up right away. Watching every one of your left arm up. Good. Knees together to touch. Take a deep breath. Inhale and go. Charge the body forward. Kick the leg back. Keep kicking. Keep reaching. Keep stretching. That's it. Reach, kick, stretch. Now, here we go. Bring the body down. Body down. That's it, Alan. Get that arm back to the chin. Keep reaching, keep stretching, body down, chest and abdomen power to the floor. Kick the legs so far back, you're kicking towards the back wall. Now, Sue, bring your chin forward and just bring the body down, shoulder to the chin. Keep reaching, keep kicking. Try it again. Last few seconds, kick, body down, kick, reach, stretch, kick. One more time, and change.